Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you a cheap way how to replace this band when it gets snapped. This is a very soft band, but it's the first thing will get snapped in your Amazfit smartwatch. So the problem that this is a very soft. So what we do, because we have a little spare of this, we're gonna use this in order to have a quick fix for your smartwatch until your replacements arrive from the post. So basically I'm gonna use this here. So I'm gonna cut this and somehow glue this together until my replacement arrives. It's not the best solution, but it's a quick fix solution in order to enjoy my smartwatch functionalities until my replacement band arrives. Because we're gonna need this, and I'm gonna cut this about here so it doesn't. So you want to achieve something like this. So it should be something like this. And I'm gonna use this tape. It's a very solid. I recommend you use this Godzilla tape. It's gonna keep this together for long time. You don't need to use glues or toxic stuff, so it will do the job. So it's supposed to be like this. It's not very waterproof, but it's supposed to be cheap way, right? It has quite some grip. So you're gonna place the band back. It's a bit tricky sometimes to do. Make sure it's good. So now I'm gonna try to wear it and see if this works. Okay. It's quite okay. It looks fine at the moment. It's not the best solution, but at least it's good enough until my replacement band arrives from the post, which will take around 5 days. So it should do the trick for the moment. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Let me know your comments.